Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're talking penny stocks, specifically two penny stocks that analysts rate strong buy and believe have huge triple-digit upside potential in their near future. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at what these two companies do and what has analysts feeling so bullish. Now, these are penny stocks, guys, so we need to have a big disclosure here. These are extremely volatile and can go up and down in price quite drastically. These price targets are over a 12-month period based on certain catalysts that aren't guaranteed to come forth. So just make sure you understand the risk that you are taking on if you choose to invest in a penny stock and never gamble more than you can afford to lose. The opinions expressed in this video are solely of the featured analysts, and these videos are never a recommendation to buy or sell any specific stock, so make sure that you are doing your own research and due diligence. All right, with that out of the way, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and let's get right into these two penny stocks. The first company we're taking a look at is Glycomimetics. They trade under the ticker GLYC and are currently priced at $2.63 per share. Glycomimetics is a pharmaceutical company that is focused on oncology therapies. They are applying their expertise in carbohydrate biology and chemistry to design high-potency antagonists of galactin-3. These therapies could be instrumental in treating fibrosis and various forms of cancer. The company's lead candidate, which is furthest along in development, is called uproleselan. This first-in-class targeted inhibitor of E-selectin has received breakthrough therapy designation from the FDA as a treatment for adults with acute myelogenous leukemia, or AML. They say that there is a significant unmet need in AML, as it has the highest incidence and lowest 5-year survival of all leukemias. The drug is currently in a phase 3 trial. Earlier trials showed positive results when uproleselan was combined with existing chemotherapy treatments, including better than expected remission rates and higher overall survival. The drug was well tolerated and adverse side effects were fewer than had been anticipated. In the phase 3 study for uproleselan, the company is optimistic on reaching year-end 2021 targets for completing enrollment in a pivotal trial on patients with relapsed or refractory AML. Glycomimetics has also received, through its collaborator in China, Apollo, breakthrough therapy designation for that country as well, and in March, the collaborator began dosing patients in a phase 1 study. The company's second leading candidate is GMI 1359. It targets tumor trafficking and metastatic spread through the inhibition of E-selectin and CXCR4, two adhesion molecules. The drug candidate showed promise in preclinical tests, and this past April, the company reported additional positive results, including immune activation in the first 2 patients to be dosed in the proof of concept phase 1b study. The study evaluates GMI 1359 as a treatment for advanced breast cancer with bone metastasis. The Glycomimetics stock currently has 3 analyst ratings, and they all come in with a buy. The price target of $14.50 per share would be a whopping 451% growth potential from current prices. We have 1 buy rating that didn't come with a price target, but 2 that both came with 430 and 470% upside potential. And those are some fairly highly rated analysts themselves. One of those analysts is Zegbeh Jallah from Roth Capital, and he points out the continued success of studies involving uproleselan, writing at the company's program update. Most important, it seemed, was the expected second half of 2021 enrollment completion of the ongoing phase 3 studies of uproleselan in AML. Regarding the exact timing of the readouts, management noted that more color will be provided later, given that the readouts are event dependent. As soon as those events occur, they'll be able to provide more granular timelines. However, it is likely that the NCI-sponsored study could meet the criteria to trigger an analysis of event-free survival during the first half of 2022. This has been viewed by many as a non-near-term catalyst, but as we race through 2021, the opportunity is indeed coming into view. He sums it up saying that overall, we believe uproleselan could become a widely used drug with multi-blockbuster sales potential, backing up his price target with an upside of 470%. Now, the second penny stock on our list today is Ocuphire Pharma. Under the ticker OCUP, they're currently at $4.54 per share. Occupire Pharma is a biopharmaceutical company that is focused on treatments for eye disorders. The company's pipeline has two main products under development. First is Nyxol, an eye drop product that is designed to both reduce pupil size and improve visual acuity, and has indications for disturbances of night vision or low light level vision, presbyopia, and pharmacologically induced mydriasis. The drug candidate has completed 7 phase 1 and 2 trial studies on a total of 230 patients. They met primary endpoint at 90 minutes with high statistical significance with 2 drops of Nyxol, and met all key secondary endpoints with high statistical significance and a favorable safety profile. Some of the next steps for Nyxol include performing a second phase 3 RM registration trial and performing a small pediatric trial in ages 3 to 17 years old to satisfy pediatric research plan regulatory requirements. Their NDA submission is expected in early 2023. Their second lead candidate is APX3330, and it is an oral tablet targeting retinal and choroidal vascular diseases that affect the back of the eyeball. The drug inhibits angiogenesis and inflammation pathways and is indicated for treatment of diabetic retinopathy and diabetic macular edema. Like Nyxol, they have completed numerous early-stage trials, including 6 phase 1 studies and 5 phase 2 studies. The drug has been followed in over 440 patients across those studies. The Occupire Pharma stock currently has 4 analyst ratings. And once again, they all come in with buys. The average price target is $23.50, which would be a 417% upside potential. Our most recent ratings came in within this last week and range between 340% to upwards of 500% growth potential. And that big price target comes from analyst John Newman from Canaccord Genuity. He says that the positive results from the MIRA-2 study increased the probability of approval for Nyxol in reversal of mydriasis and has positive implications for other Nyxol indications, such as presbyopia and night vision disturbances. We expect additional positive Nyxol data from presbyopia in the second quarter of 2021 and from night vision disturbances in the third quarter of 2021, as well as potentially positive data from APX3330 in diabetic retinopathy and Nyxol in a second reversal of mydriasis trial by early 2022. So multiple catalysts there over this next year, supporting his price target of $29, which would be an upside of nearly 540%. So those are our 2 penny stocks coming in with unanimous buy ratings from analysts and huge upside potential, both on average over 400%. As I said before, those are 1-year price targets, and there can be an extreme amount of volatility with penny stocks, especially if some of those catalysts do not come to fruition. So always approach these with caution and do plenty of your own research and due diligence. With that being said, you guys know I always love hearing from you, so make sure to leave your thoughts on these 2 penny stocks in the comments down below, or what other penny stocks have been catching your eye lately. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.